You guys think it's so easy making videos. You just turn on the camera and you just start talking, like I'm doing it right now. I know I make it look easy, but you know, ever since Phil's come on, he's realized over the last year that he's been working for me now that I don't always speak very good. All right, now we're not gonna... All right, so we're not gonna be using this... If you want to learn more about the...
Action.
Now...
Wow, one word through it.
One syllable. Jay, we are here.
And action.
Today's video is... This is where it's... Now this isn't just about learning... Now it's not just learning how... Now the cool thing about typically in the past, so if you can't tell though, RGB is just made up of 3 different LEDs. A white LED, no. Okay, we got this. We got this, we got this, we got this. Wanted to be sure that there was gonna be in the film. We are sponsored to, now today's video is sponsored by our friend, has still running 6 gigs of it. Pretty much are now, so one of the unique things about, okay, so on BLD's website, let's do it one more time. Buy the card now! NVIDIA Ansel. The memories. Vince was like, cracking sound could be your thermal brace. Your thermal brace breaking. Phil's not, you would think that within those 7 years, I would learn how to take the thoughts and formulate words and move my tongue and my mouth and have it come out in an understandable fashion. You'd think. Cable Mod is introducing their vertical PCI adapter. Oh. Acer, Samsung, you name it. Blu-ray player, 4K player, you name it. The CPUs, you name it. Mouse pads, you name it. It's all here. Now today's video is sponsored. Oh, yeah, I wanna, and people want, I keep pointing this at something. And a free, let's do that at the end. You name it, we are online and connected every single, I have to poop. Look at my mouth. Yeah, like I'm like, I know what I'm gonna say now. Have you ever had a case that, wait, what, I forgot what I was gonna say. Build our own tablet.
Whoa. Whoa.
Now this isn't just a, so,
Action.
buy my shit. You can click the link in the description below. Ow! What crack was I smoking? Now speaking isn't the only thing I have problems with around here. I tend to get distracted quickly and easily, making it frustrating sometimes to get videos made and sticking to the topic at hand. I am curious. All right, I'm serious. We can have fun, but you need to calm down.
Does this part come off separate from this part? Jay. Focus, Jay.
Come on.
The TIE Fighter is very high pitched, like mind reading.
So the one thing though is we left off at the, that's not even new.
The Divine R6. A new scent from Fractal. Silence. I forgot something downstairs, hold on. Be right back. I can't go any lower. Phil, you're not supposed to tilt the camera.
Yeah.
Really? You're looking a little pale, Jay. This is actually 1 liter of alien sperm. Oh! $2,500, bitches.
I don't know.
Jay. Oh man.
What did you do? NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. You're going down a path I can't follow. From my perspective, Gamers Nexus is evil. Let the Allen 2 flow through you.
Is it possible to learn this power?
Not from South Carolina. Actually, it's North Carolina. It's just something about the way new electronics smell.
It's probably cancer.
I don't care. Computers are cool. They bring things in your home today. Wait, shit. Wait, it was 575, right? Watch my videos. They help me pay for the things that I do in here. So what was the point of this video? I want to be honest, what's the point of any video we make? We like to have fun around here, and we just thought it would be fun to show you guys some of the fun that we've had. Not to mention, some of you have requested it. So yeah, that's why we did it. Was I supposed to say something else?
Do you want to say anything else?
You see, the funny thing is I've been making videos now for going on 7 years. And you would think in that...
Yes, the irony.
What's the point of anything we do around here, honestly? We're just a couple of guys that... Thinking is also not something I'm very good at. Good evening, Jayztwocents here. So what was the point of this video? Well, I thought it would just be kind of